Uthembeni up.
Bongani, are you?
Yeah.
Oh my God, your man is abusive, girl.
Is ha.
Wait,
Look,
abalento yenza.
intombi nje.
Lamini, that etc. And then I let you go.
Yazi bese ngayithanda ukuthi into le sivela kubo TikTok nje hayi into yethu.
Okay, nifuna uvela laphi? Nifuna
Right, sis.
Are you fine? She's okay with it.
Okay.
Is it fine?
Yeah, ungabuza.
Okay, please come closer, ne? Come closer. I want you guys here. Okay, please be on my right, ne? Name?
Elokuhle.
Elokuhle and?
Ubonga.
Bongani, why do you look stressed?
Ngikho stressed just nje.
You look like...
The other girl is gonna see her.
I'm sorry. I mean, it's just a camera. Is it Bongani, ne?
Ubongani.
Okay, I'll make you comfortable. How long have you been with Elokuhle, right?
Yes.
Lamini, something is moving in here. Sorry, guys. I'm scared of crawlies. How long have you been with Elokuhle?
Unyaka.
A year. All right. Elokuhle still going strong.
Yeah.
Has he ever cheated? Have you ever had any arguments?
No.
Fights?
No.
Are you lying? In a year? Bongani, surely you fought or something about something. In 1 year, I mean, come on, guys.
Angikhumbule yazi.
Even if it's him leaving the plate and not washing it after eating, something.
Yeah, siyalonga lokho.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, where did he meet you?
Sahlangana nje eTexini.
Walker foot namanje. But what are you doing with your life?
Taxi.
Yes.
Did he pay for your taxi ride, okanye?
Yeah.
Oh, you paid for a taxi ride?
Yeah, obvious.
You're such a gentleman. Let's see happy.
Siya eSoweto.
Oh, okay. From where? From town? From where?
From a town Soweto.
I ask a lot of questions, no?
Yeah.
Yazi nesikhathi mana sinaso.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to get straight to the point today. I actually tricked you guys. What we actually do on this show is we make couples switch phones. It's a loyalty test. Bongani, I don't like your face.
No, amangaza phela mawusithi switch phone like switch phone uthi kube njani manje?
Yes, so you switch the phones and then she goes through your WhatsApp. And then you go through hers.
Don't shake.
Bongani?
No, yazi angithandi into ezifana nalezo nje ukuthi from no we stranger asikwazi
That's
nje.
true.
You understand? Hayi sisona. Hayi.
What do you say? Awufuni?
No.
Anifuni guys nyani? Dlamini, should I let them go? Anifuni?
Okay, we can do it.
You can do. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Bongani, she's okay with it.
Bongani akafuni.
Are you hiding something on your phone?
No.
You're not hiding anything on your phone?
No.
Oh, he's hiding a lot, dog. Yo.
Ochi, he's not hiding anything.
It's okay. Singashitshana.
Yeah.
Tatasela Bongani. We are shaking, my brother. Yasibona isikolo samajita ngasizokhuphuka apha phezulu. The boys' score seems like it's gonna be going up.
My files
It's
are in
still
this app.
cheating the most in
My chat's
South
this app.
Africa.
Projects in that app.
Bone. But Bongani is not giving, yeah, boy. It's giving cheater vibes.
It's fine.
Hayi akulento engifihlayo.
Okay. Phones good, guys. With yours open, ne?
Huh?
I'll give it to him
Open
so
the
long so
phone,
you don't
Bongani.
delete stuff.
Why is it lagging?
Bongani, you are not fine. Okay. WhatsApp, ne? Go to a WhatsApp.
He has to find something, dog.
Type love you. So
What?
you're searching there at the top, ne? But yeah. So type love you.
Love you.
Hey, that's you, must ne? Bongani there.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that.
Type 6, Baba.
Type miss you.
Come on.
Miss you.
Come on.
Miss you. Yeah. Vele igama lami.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Babe. Babe.
Is she shaking? Ooh, pick some more.
Vele umma wakhe. Nami lapha nje kuphela.
Okay, delete. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing you woman favors.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, mother and you again. Okay, delete. Type outside.
Outside. Out.
Bonzi bana umkhiphayo. No, come outside.
Yeah, kahle lento lesifama mina.
Kaloku checking if she's cheating on you. So outside, if we're checking if any other man is fetching her. Yeah, that's you again. Delete, type pregnant. Are you scared that I'm going to search for the same things on your phone?
No,
Akashake my sister lo munye.
pregnant.
Okay, nothing. Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
Morning after pill.
Waqala ukunyaza sinyawo manje uyabhenga phela manje.
After.
Hawu, sekashaya lezi.
Mm.
Can't speak up.
Okay, clean. She's clean. It's your turn. Congratulations,
The
girl.
way she was dancing with her legs.
What's wrong? When you are doing something when I don't trust you.
No. I.
Open your phone. Sir. That means there's definitely something moving in this tree.
And the password.
Zamini khona uzothi wapa. Washa?
Thank you. Okay, love. Okay, WhatsApp ne?
Sakabona lutho.
Okay, type love you.
Mean.
Okay, perfect. Delete, type miss you.
Ngiyadula kufuna ukusondela.
I know.
Uyena nasiswakhe.
Okay, delete that, type babe.
Ndoda wakhathazeka kangaka ndo.
Can I mean?
At least delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who your man is doing favors. Okay, what do you see?
Ngibona Zandile mosla.
Manu Zandile.
Zandile.
Go into the chat.
It is born.
Sibona izinto apha.
No, ufuna ukubona lo Zandile.
Ufuna ukubonani?
Usafoneni yakho ubungani ungamazi.
Exactly.
Mancane phambi into salungisa la.
Ziyalungisa. Manu Zandile.
Ngifuna sengibamba ubhuti angazi ngibambela.
Dlamini, please don't hold
That's
him.
why. Yakhalela boy.
Ngifuna ukubona lokho ukuthi Zandile ngubani. Into engifuna ukuyibona nje kuphela.
Ubani uSandile?
uZandile.
You look like you've seen a ghost, Bongani. Manu Zandile. Go into media.
Yaphela umshado la ngaphandle.
Okay, should I call Zandile and ask her what she is to?
uZandile. Hayi.
Dlamini phone, do you wanna call her? Because your man is not answering
Pendula
us.
ndoda. You lose 2 wives. 2.
Awubanele.
Hey.
I lose 1 my
Ubanele
brother.
lo staff emotweni ubantu lo requestela ngitshela.
Sorry, let me see. Okay, we'll start with Zandile.
Ungavumi ndoda.
Uzandile, who is Manu Zandile? You've been able to answer Bangu Banu Banelu Zandile ngubani?
Singahamba asihambe because no yabona
Ngeke sihambe ngangangitshela ukuthi ubani uZandile.
sazi ke.
Asazi ke isipinde esigaka bhuti wami. Uzoba loser bobabili.
Isikhathi.
Hi, am I speaking to Zandile?
Hello?
Hi, Zandile, is that you? Hello?
Yes.
My sister
Do you know Bongani?
Yes, ngiyamazi.
Do you want to talk to her?
Umazi njani Bongani?
Nobani? Ukhuluma nobani kuqala?
Ngeke uzobuya ukuthola ukukhuluma noba umazi njani Bongani?
Telephone.
Hayibo, indoda yami.
Just standing.
Indoda yakho.
How long?
Sukela nini?
Yes.
Sukela nini kwindoda yakho?
Wena ubani ufuna ukwazi lokho wena ubani?
Ngintombi yakhe mina.
Yo.
Intombi yakhe buya kuphi indoda yami ke leyo? Indoda yami nje ngedwa.
Uzuyamlwela.
Phambili.
Hi, Bongani.
No, isikhathi.
Dumsana sekwenzeke lokho.
Indoda yami nje
Wambamba
ngedwa.
ibele manje.
Uzongithola phambili.
Buka.
Hi,
Uyamsqueeze.
Bongani.
Dumsana we don't do that.
Khona la ngifuna ukuya khona ngithi
Uzandile uthi she's your woman.
Kase singakanani nithandana?
Hey.
Ngesikhathi eside kabi 3 years.
mina bengithi into yakho nje la ufuna ukuposta nje la ufuna ukuposta khona but ngiyabona inhloso yakho nje.
I'm sorry.
Ngithola inamba yakho efonini yakhe.
So manje wena usogada ifoni yakhe. Buza yena ungabuzi mina.
Mosi indoda yami lena.
Nazi buza yona ke indoda yethu.
Shishita kancane lapho Brown.
Ngizokupitshisa mangikubona.
kancane,
Ngizokupitshisa I swear my way. Ngizokupitshisa.
Delete lento yena ayisebenzi lento yena. Delete lento yena ayikho le.
Do you have anything to say to Zandile? You want to talk to Zandile?
Nangu Zandile khuluma naye.
Ngizokhuluma naye ukuthini uzandi.
Yo, kumele uvele wathula uzokwazi ukuphika later bhuti wami. Umoshileke manje. Usumluzile uZandile naye.
Ngishayela kabi nina. Ngicela umnikeze ifoni ukhulume naye.
Bekazophika later uthi angibazi labantu abafonile.
Hello.
Yebo.
Yo.
Kwenzakalani? Wayesomkhulumisa ngama-girlfriends ngiyana wakho manje.
Thingva ngizokufonela
Khuluma naye, khuluma.
ngizomfonela nje inkinga. Ngizokufonela ngizokhuluma ngizokufonela ngizokuchazela.
Yini ozomchazela yona?
Ngizokuchazela.
Uzochaza kuZandile.
Uzochaza kuba? Don't have anything to say.
To say yini?
You don't have any shit to say.
Hayi shit
Hawu
yansifashela manje.
ulise yathathelana.
To say.
Usalento kancane.
Hawu.
Kancane nami.
Umbheka uthatha kanjani inqindi?
manje.
It's not make sure my brother.
Usalento kancane.
It's not make sure like this. It's not make sure my brother.
Kancane. Kanti ngisabale kusali lokho mina. Mancane man fuwe.
Oh my God. Your man is abusive, girl. Are you going to stay with him?
No, angisamfuni.
You don't have any shit to say.
Shit ya.
Kuboshwa wapi mo? Talk about shit. Anyways, I'm thinking it's an ad coming in. Why did it freeze like that? I ad, guys. I'll say. Anyways, Ziyakhala langaphandle. We see the scores went up. It went up. Not Lisa Angmazo Tetelan. Busy talking about any shit to say. Calm down, Lisa. Lena ayimdingi nje uLisa. Ayimdingi. Ayikabi. Asibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. My brother ngathi
You don't have any shit to say.
Shit ya nona sis.
You don't have anything to say.
Into kodwa yabona uyenza.
After everything you've done, you worried about the word shit. Oh, that's all you worried about.
Oh. Yaqala ngami wena.
Itype yami wena. Uzibone itype yami?
Andiza bhuti wami.
Yeah, so niphambanele.
Futhi nawusuka into yakho lela.
Okay, my scat. Do you need transport home?
Ngizosahambela.
Are you fine? So it's over. It's done. Okay. I'm sorry, Baba, my scat.
uThembeni.
Okay.
uThembeni, up.
Bongani, are you done?
Eh?
Can you come down, please? Are you come?
Buka ma.
Because you don't want to come down, and yet you want to hit me. You want to. Are you done?
Sokukhuluma naye umuntu wami.
I got phone. I'm about to tell Zandile.
Sokukhuluma na.
Abundizo noZandile.
Phela kanjani umshado baba? Phela kanjani umshado?
Sisomsisa lento yakho empusweni. Sisa. Ibancane bra mama. Sino. Ngokukhuluma na kancane.
I got phone. She doesn't want to.
Akathi njani wena
She
mfowethu?
does not want to.
Ngithi mancane manje. Yayiba. Awungiyeke.
Hey. Hayibo. Kathi nginende ehlala kanjena ayithembisa. Ha.
Mfowethu.
Lock.
Lento yenza.
Sekuvele kuthiwa lock.
Uzothini?
Uzovela msuzele but lock.
Ngizondoni?
Usola ngami.
Uzothubela inkabi.
Hawu. Intombi nje.
Lamini.
Ikshaya ngaphansi kuphela.
Okay.
Where's his hat?
Suka bra. Ngihamba ngibuye.
Do you want your hat, darling?
Hayi Lisa wena ungamshayi.
Sendo sami.
Okay, tell us when you come, and then only we can.
So.
Hey,
sorry.
Bye-bye.
Usanda kumshaya kodwa. Uzosho njani?
The man cheats and then he gets angry at us. Imagine such nonsense. Flamini, can we please go home? I don't have the will today to convince people to search for. Did you see I was ready to give up? I said, you guys can go.
Lisa not Dlamini and Beasodisa laba.
And I said, can I please let him go? And be like, no. I can't do today. I can't do today.
I said, mhlawumbe songasathola 1 or 2.
I want to go home, please. Chris, can I please go home?
I said,
Sibona isandla sika Lisa sihleli phezulu.
I want to go home, guys, please.
yeah, masathola 1 or 2 and then sihambe. Now I understand that you're tired.
Yeah, can we just do one more?
Yeah, let's do one more.
Alright, CMTV viewers, that is
Rain the Card, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you in the next episode. We see that amadoda achisa kakhulu kudlula abesifazana njengamanje, but that may change in the next episode. Njengoba siyobheka one more manje. We'll see you in the next episode. Stay tuned. Peace out. Bah. Hey, watch the next video lapho. Zukubona.